In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable parallel downloading in Google Chrome and speed up your downloads. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, in order to enable parallel downloading in Google Chrome, you can't just go ahead and access settings. It is not available there. You can go ahead to the search tab. Then type in Chrome column/forward/forward flags. And make sure to type everything correctly. Then click on it. And now you can see that there is search flags. Just click on it and type in parallel. Now you can see that parallel download is available here. You can go ahead and click on default in order to change it. And just click on enabled. After you click on it, just click on relaunch, which is located at the bottom right. And then Google Chrome will relaunch by itself. So this was how to enable parallel downloading in Google Chrome and speed up your downloads. As always, thank you for watching.